Okay guys, so this video was recorded several months ago. I just never got around to editing it and putting it into, or posting it on my channel. Me and my friends and my little brother, mainly me and my little brother, we really enjoy airsofting. So, this video we sort of attempt to have a 3-person full-on airsoft match in my backyard up next to my pond, and around my pond. So this is basically our first attempt at really trying to airsoft. We plunked, tinkered around here and there, but like this is the first time that there was more than just me and my little brother. So I know it's pretty, I mean, it's not very good. I mean, I'm not trying to post this like it's amazing, but it was fun. I really enjoyed making this video. Editing it not so much, but you know, it is what it is. So I just wanted to get that out there. This video was recorded several months ago. But yeah, I guess just watch the video and enjoy. We can start wherever, but like we need to run for like 20 or 30 seconds, and then whenever.
What about the horse? That's gonna be an issue.
Oh, she'll move.
Run in an opposite direction of each other?
Yeah, well, yeah, just like run, and then once we get 100 feet apart or so, I'll call it, oh, y'all go or whatever, and then it'll start. Because like if I'm like, okay, go, and then we start running, you could just be like, boink.
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't do that, but that'd be funny.
All right.
Nice.
Okay, let's go. Oh, horse is running too. She's got a gun. We don't know about it. Okay. 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 So, let's see. Which way did Daniel go? Okay. I'm trying to watch how. Oh, that's swampy. Nope. Not going back there. Where's Ethan go? I see a fish moving. I seen Daniel go that way. And Ethan's over there. Okay, I see Ethan. I definitely see Ethan. Okay. He's behind that big old stump right there. Okay, so get him into a blind spot. Oh, I see Daniel. Okay, let's go this way. Oh, we do have safety glasses. Just saying. Where did Ethan go? He was right there. Is he still there? Alright, I just wanted to pause this real quick right here. I'm shooting towards the general area. I know good and well that this airsoft gun that I'm shooting right now will not come close, but my little brother is like not scared, but like paranoid. So like anytime he hears the plink or if he hears a BB anywhere next to him, he will skeet real quick. So that's my tactic. I know that I'm not going to hit him for it. Well, I don't know I wouldn't hit him, but I know my goal is not to hit him. My goal is simply to scope out the area. The BB lands anywhere near him. He thinks we see him, which we have a general idea. This is not blind firing. Blind firing is whenever you fire and you can't see anything. You're hiding behind cover and you shoot your gun in a blind manner. You do not see anything at all because you're hiding behind cover. That is blind fire. This is getting a general idea as to whether or not Ethan is in the general area, because like I said, once a BB lands next to him, if he hears that plink, he thinks he's possibly being shot at, and he 9 times out of 10 will try to move. So I just wanted to put that out there. I don't see any issues with this. As you can see, I am in the open. I can easily get shot if somebody's seen me. So I'm not hiding behind any sort of cover. I can see what I'm shooting at. So I'm not blind firing. I actually am pretty against blind firing. So that just wanted to go ahead and put that out there so that nobody would comment on the shooting into like the Wild Blue Yonder. I know that gun is not going to reach that far. I didn't expect it to. I held it up really high to try to get in that general vicinity of him so that if he was there, it would just kind of shake him up a little bit. Not make him scared. It's just like, it's adrenaline. It's a fun thing. I highly suggest airsofting. But yeah, just wanted to put that out there. Enjoy the rest of the video. Get out of here. I thought I saw him. I thought that was him. Ethan has not moved. Alright. Moderate. Moderate. Hopefully me and Senior Sneaky Snack don't go meeting. see neither one of them right yet. Okay, I see Ethan. I definitely see. For sure see Ethan. Okay. Now, I've got a bright yellow hat on, so that's not going to do a whole lot of good to help me hide, so I'm just pretty much just staying out of direct BB. Ethan's hiding where I let that snake go. Daniel is okay, I see Daniel. I definitely see Daniel. You see him right there. Ethan is wasting his bullets trying to hit Daniel. It's not going to happen. It is just not going to happen. Where is he going? Which way is he going? Okay. I don't know if he's stuck in the mud. I think he's stuck in the mud. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he was stuck in the mud. Okay. He's trying to counter. He's coming into Ethan. Ethan is moving. Okay. My glasses are fogging up. It's very humid today. They are so far away. I want to dart, but I'm not. Ethan might walk right into me. Depends on if he's coming this way. I'm gonna just crouch right here. I'm gonna just relax. Be sneaky. Ethan's coming this way. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, Papa. It's about to get real. Where did he go? Oh, I see him. I see him. I wonder if he sees me. I don't think either one of them know where I'm at. Okay, where is Ethan? Okay, I see him. I see him. Okay, Daniel's coming this way now. I think they just really, we're just full on forgot about me. Come on, Ethan, come this way. Come this way. he's out. Okay, I'm gonna make a bucket down towards that tree. Where is he at? Where is he at? I wanna make a run for that pine tree down there. Where is he at? Pretty sure he's still behind all that stuff. Yeah, he is. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. I'm in line with the tree. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Come on. Where are you at? Where are you at? Come on. What's up? What's up? You're out.
Oh, I'm out. I'm out. I don't have any more BBs.
You want to just take a bang?
Huh?
You want to just take a bang? Okay. Well. Oh, I don't know. I'll just put on safety. That was good.
Ugh. Yeah, me and Ethan fought over there.
I watched you. I was watching you.
Yeah.
Sniper's instinct. Wait for enemies to distinguish as many as they can as possible.
Fair enough.
That's what I was waiting for. But then Daniel came by and I was like, crap.
I seen you go over there behind that cellar. That's where I let the snake go.
If I would have had a camera, when I saw you all editing,
My glasses kept fogging up.
Mine is awful, man. Every 2 seconds it was.
Windex.
white.
We gotta put Windex on them in a second.
so
That's supposed to not fog them up.
is there any like
That and lemon pledge.
Is there like limits, but besides like the cat area?
I don't see any limits really.
No, I mean, the thing about, and I was explaining, I don't know if I really explained it, I know it was going through my head a lot, is like, I think I did say it, like the good part about these little bitty guns with like this big old huge open area is because like what we did, we toughed it out like 50, 70 feet apart and didn't come close a bunch of times. And
You have to get close.
I
I
knew,
was down to my last bullet, and I was like, I gotta run closer.
I knew as soon as I plunked and it made that empty noise, you were gonna rush me. So look, I just slung a few in. I knew you was gonna rush me.
I was down to my last magazine. I didn't know how many I had left in it, so
Yeah,
I was like,
the shot I fired
I
at you was my
unloaded-
last.
I unloaded mine or reloaded mine twice, I think, 2 or 3 times.
I think mine was like 4.
I got super lucky. I got super lucky because he shot me, and it hit me and bounced.
Yeah,
like,
it scooped his head. I didn't mean to because he was sitting
Eh,
on the thing over there.
That's the thing
You
with
can't
like,
really avoid it, really. It just
Yeah,
they go
there's-
wherever the wind takes them.
I definitely enjoy this a lot though. Like this is,
if you imagine if Dalton was here and had all of his. And then like Ethan, Cole, whoever, like if they wanted to come down, they could, because like I've got a couple shotgun, or I got a shotgun on top of these. I mean, it is, but it's just a single shot.
I really want better hop up. I don't know if that was mine.
Yeah,
or just sucked.
I dove. Well, I didn't really dive. I jumped. I run down. I was right there, and I was telling the camera, I'm like, okay, I'm going to run for that big pine, or that, well, medium pine tree, and then I could see you were going from that side to that side to that side to that side. So I'm like, as long as I just run, and then like if I can't see you from that tree, you can't see me. So once I got in line, once I got that tree in between me and you, I come down pretty like gradually, but I crouched down and was laid down, because these BBs aren't very heavy. They're just .20. They will bounce off of limbs and even leaves and bounce out and not come close to hitting you.
Because like whenever we were up there, my feet sank into the mud. I lost this shoe.
I watched you do stuff like this, and I'm like, is he docking and dudging from Ethan, or like, what's he doing? And then I saw you do one of these, and I'm like, oh, he's stuck.
Your ultimate editing challenge is to edit a HUD. If you could do that.
That'd be neat.
Like
it would be like a
the whole like crosshairs and stuff.
crosshairs and ammo count. Ammo count.
Nope.
Not these sessions. I pay like you can spend $100 and get like a session with the full kit, like this headband and the little like selfie stick kind of thing.
Mosquito on your head. Sorry if that hurt a lot.
Ow.
Look, I got it though. I'm not. See, evidence that there's a mosquito.
Moderate.
Shook the camera.
We should do a riot shield game mode to where there's one person.
I almost picked that block of that. Yeah.
Well,
I was thinking about that. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's pretty long, at like 28 minutes. It doesn't bother me to really edit long videos. I know they're not exactly the most popular thing, but my long videos have a good bit of content. Like, it's not just a bunch of blank space and time. Like, so yeah, there's pretty much always something going on in the video, and I edit it that way so that even though they are long, there's still a lot going on. But if you guys do not like the really long videos, just let me know. But I figured that, like, where this is an airsoft video, there is a lot of calm, like, sneaking, so that does take time into the video, and it's hard to edit that stuff out because, you know, that's part of the suspense of an airsoft match, and we want it to come across as fun as possible, and we want you to get the whole scenario and like the whole feel of it. But I apologize if you can hear that buzzing in the background. That's my fan cooling down the computer because I've been editing for the past 3 hours and it heats up the fan. The computer gets pretty hot. It's already crashed on me once. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these longer videos. I actually really do enjoy making them and editing them. It gives me a chance to really kind of show what I'm capable of and kind of surprising myself of like what I can do editing, like accomplishment wise. But yeah, just drop a comment if you like this kind of stuff. Let me know. If you don't, let me know. And if you're new to the channel and you like this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot. We're just 23 or 24 people away from 100 subscribers, and that's going to be a pretty big deal. I don't know what I'm going to do for if I hit 100. Like when I hit 100, I don't know what I'm going to do for that. But I'll probably think of something. But yeah, just I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I like making these videos like this, and stick around, and there'll be more to come. I have a part 2 that I haven't got around to editing yet, but that might be something that I'll work on soon if you guys like this stuff. But yeah, thank you so much for watching to the end. You are the reason why I do what I do, the ones that watch my videos through, so I appreciate you, and I will catch you guys in the next one.